This is a little bit tricky, and I need to focus my attention on what needs to be done. Now, they say it's a two-man job, two-man or woman job. And that's because you have to keep tension on this lower tensioner shoe. What I've decided to do in lieu of trying to make and find a friend, I've just tied some twine around it, tied it off up here in the tensioned position where you still can get the timing cover in behind it. And then with the way that twine is looped, I can just cut it and pull it straight up out, and it won't create any problems. And it should be generally out of the way. That's the theory, at least. Practice is usually something other than that, but we'll give this a try. So anyway, I'll bring you back when it's time to actually go forward with this. I've got to prep the block a little bit more. I've got to get my sealer ready to go. I've got to place some sealer around the lower oil pan cover there in the little grooves. And yeah, that's about it. We'll see you soon.